the lever. It's a really good hair clipper. Not too. It's a really good hair clipper. Not too heavy and also not too light. On my hand, I got this brand new hair clipper from SUPRENT Pro MECHA with a model number HC625. Yo, hey, you was on YouTube. This is Edo Unboxing of Fish. Welcome to another episode, man. Today's episode, I'm gonna unbox this brand new hair clipper from SUPRENT Pro. Stay tuned, man. Alright. This is the box right here. Okay, a dark one. All around is dark, as you can see. It's dark, and on the front it's written really SUPRENT Pro, and down here MECHA with the model number HC625. It got very interesting 7,800 RPM. This is a lot. 180 minutes operating time and 180 minutes charging time. Got 2,500 milliamp battery. Yo, that's it. Yo, and as it's really rating here, got 7,800 RPM. This is really a lot. This is the hair clipper. Charging port. Okay. No USB-C. Okay, and power button. Comes with a clicking lever, a 5 clicking lever. Okay, sounds smooth. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clicking lever, and comes with a taper blade, as you can see, and here it's written SUPRENT Pro. It got also a thin blade. Okay, and the cutter blade comes with a ceramic cutter blade. Yeah. There's no screws at the back here to open this clipper, you know, to see if maybe it's a brushless motor, because from what I read, it's a brushless motor. That's what I read. So I don't know if maybe it's a true brushless motor or not, because there's no screws at the back for me to open it, or at the front. So you can see, no screws. Okay, but here is a LCD display. Comes with a display here, and yeah, so sound check. As you can hear, it's very fast, very fast. Hear that? This is one of the best hair clipper for this year. As you can see, it's very strong. it cuts through bulk hair like butter. Believe me. So now, it's not too heavy and it's not too light. $301. So if you want to purchase this hair clipper from their website, you can easily use my discount code ADO25 and get 25% off. So that's really a lot. I'm gonna leave a link on the description below where you can buy this hair clipper, and also Amazon link. So yeah, as you can hear, it's not loud at all. Okay, for the RPM, okay, lever open. And I almost forgot. We're gonna see what they got for us inside this box. I almost forgot. And okay. Comes with a charging dock. It's written here SUPRENT Pro. Okay. Okay, it's moving, which is not that really good. Normally it should stand first without moving. Okay, and inside, so we got a charging cable. Okay. And some guide combs. It looks like a wall guide combs. Okay, let's open it. Let's see. Okay. Okay, and this is how much I zero gap it. I don't know if maybe you can see it. Yeah, this is how much I zero gap it. And inside you got this card. Okay, Beyond Master. The manual. And these two things right here. This is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode, man.